Hi, everyone, and welcome back. If you've been with me for a while, you know me as Bella. Usually, we're lacing up our shoes, hitting the pavement, and talking about the incredible journey of afterlife, or something similar, whether it's for pure interest, mental clarity, or just the sheer joy of it. But today, we are embarking on a quite different kind of journey, one that has less to do with topics covered and everything to do with the heart. We are going to talk about grief and how a tool I never would have expected, artificial intelligence, offered me a profound and surprisingly gentle path to comfort. What if we could gently interact with those memories? What if a beloved photo could almost breathe again? This is not about replacing a person, never. It's about creating a new, deeply personal, and for me, deeply therapeutic medium for connection. You feed AI that still image, and then you tell it, for example, a man smiling gently. The first and perhaps most emotionally charged step is selecting the photo. Technically, a clear, high-quality, well-lit portrait, ideally looking directly or slightly off camera, often works best for the AI. Could this be a new form of therapy? I genuinely believe it could. Used responsibly and ethically, I can see this being a powerful tool in grief counseling, helping people to access and process emotions in a new way. My final thought for you, the listener, is this. Technology, often seen as cold, distant, and even dehumanizing, can, in the right hands and with the right intent, be harnessed for profound human warmth. You can reach me at lovedonesreborn@gmail.com to learn more about using AI to remember individuals who have passed away.